All eyes will be today at the Supreme Court hearing for Arvind Kejriwal. After the relief coming in for Manish Sisodia, Supreme Court will hear Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest by the CBI and bail application in connection with the excise policy case. Kejriwal's plea will be heard by a bench of Justices Surya Kant and Ujjal Bhayan. This after, remember, that when AAP had moved the top court challenging Delhi High Court's decision to uphold Kejriwal's arrest. CBI had arrested Kejriwal, remember, in connection with a corruption case linked to alleged excise policy scam after the ED custody had happened. Supreme Court's verdict on Kejriwal's bail plea will be keenly watched. He's, after all, Delhi's Chief Minister. And with the deputy who's out, could the Chief Minister also get a breather? Remember, he's also the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party.
हमें पूरी उम्मीद है सुप्रीम कोर्ट से तो मुझे भी न्याय मिला है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट देश के संविधान के हिसाब से काम करता है और देश के संविधान ने ऐसी स्थितियों के लिए व्यवस्था की हुई है कि जब भी कोई तानाशाही करेगा तो संविधान उसको बचाएगा।
Our legal correspondent Kanu Sarda joins me for the latest on that. Kanu, possibly after Manish Sisodia's bail and relief, that Arvind Kejriwal could also expect that. But what are you picking up on this case? Because after ED, then CBI, it's not really looking good for Arvind Kejriwal right now, isn't it?
Yes, Pooja, because Arvind Kejriwal is already on the interim bail from the Supreme Court in the ED case, which is a difficult case to get bail because the PMLA Act is involved.
Yes.
But keeping in mind the delay part, the delay is also applicable to Arvind Kejriwal in this case, and this is the only ground on which Manish Sisodia got bail. So chances of getting bail in the CBI case for Arvind Kejriwal is little easy because the provisions of the CBI is a bit easier ones to get bail, because we have seen in the past also the CBI cases are not that hard enough. The Act says, the PC Act says that you are eligible for bail on certain conditions, and this is a point here that Arvind Kejriwal is still a Delhi Chief Minister. He is not a flight risk, and his conduct in the past was fine. So the CBI will have to give a strong reason as to how granting him bail and perform his duties as a Delhi CM would be a prejudice to the Delhi liquor policy case or not. So the delay will be the ground on which Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer is going to argue today before the top court that the trial is saying when Manish Sisodia can be out on bail, why not Arvind Kejriwal? Because he has to perform certain duties for the citizens of Delhi.
And Manish Sisodia was seen and considered and accused as perhaps the main with regard to what the scam allegations have been. And then can Arvind Kejriwal also get bail? Remember, Arvind Kejriwal was arrested in the month of March this year. So it's already been quite a few months that he's been in custody. We have more news coming in on another story. Let's take a look at that, and we'll keep our eyes out for what Arvind Kejriwal's bail hearing will be about.